Hi, I'm Madhurima Chakravarty and this is my father, Chef Sitangsu. Baba is a 5-star chef. When I was growing up in Bombay, we used to love Frankie, which we can't use. We're not making Frankie because it's a trademark, right?
Yes.
We're going to make our own Kathi Rolls, but we're going to make different kinds.
On the line of Frankie.
On the line of Frankie, but it's nothing
To do with them.
Yeah, no copyright infringement at all.
We'll first make the parathas ready. Then we'll go for different fillings. Of one we are making with the beef. Other two are grilled items, Indian grill with salmon tikka and paneer tikkas. And then we'll, in the last stage, we'll have the assembling of all the kathi rolls together. So we had 2 parts of whole wheat, 1 part of all-purpose.
And this is, it's not baking, so it's approximation. Right?
Yeah. Little bit of here and there won't make any difference.
Okay.
We need some warm water.
Okay.
Little warm water to
The warm
make the
water relaxes the gluten
Yeah.
or whatever, right?
And
So you tell me when.
yes.
Do you want me to do this? This looks
Yeah.
like work.
Okay. You can.
I was hoping you would say no.
No. Yeah. I will wash my hand and you do the rest.
Actually, it's a lot of fun. Okay, so I've been kneading this dough, I think, 5-6 hours? That's what it feels like.
Yeah, it's done now.
But actually more like maybe a few minutes. And you said it's done?
Yeah, it's
How
done.
do we know it's done?
Yeah, you could see the texture of it. See the smooth texture. You're not getting cracks over here. You can see this. See this
Yeah,
one?
yeah.
It's
Okay.
not sticking to your hand. So you can keep it for resting. Before you keep it for resting,
Yeah.
you just pat a little oil in that, just like little oil, so that the dryness is restricted on it. You don't get this. Yeah, that's
Okay.
fine. Yes.
So we cover it.
That's for the
How
dough.
long?
Let it rest for at least 40 minutes, 45 minutes. And then we go for our fillings to make.
I don't know if you can see, but my father has mad knife skills. Like, for instance, here's some garlic that he made, chopped earlier, and it like barely resembles garlic anymore. And here's some ginger, and he hand chopped these. And
Onions we finally chopped.
the onions, look at these onions. These are chopped, hand chopped onions. It's incredible. I'm always in awe. Are you impressed with all my bowls? Do you see how they're all
the
the same
of
set?
bowls,
Yeah,
yes.
that's right. I thought it was
That's
very
what, see,
professional.
this one. According to the, ingredients, you have all the sizes of bowls.
We don't need this. Do we need this much garlic?
No, just 1 tablespoon out of which.
So about that much?
This much, yeah. That's little more. That's okay, fine. That's okay. Okay, then it goes cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder.
Nutmeg is actually my favorite spice.
Yes,
What is your favorite spice, Baba?
bay leaf.
Bay leaf.
Everything I feel like adding bay leaf into it. Right. So this is ready to cook. In a pan, whatever pan you want to cook it, you can cook it till tender.
Okay.
Put
I'm
some
gonna mix
refined
this.
oil, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. Put this bay leaves.
Okay. The smell is already amazing. What am I smelling? I guess I can.
Mint and nutmeg.
Oh yeah, the mint and nutmeg.
Salmon tikka marination.
Okay, perfect.
So first start the marination for salmon tikka. Add with some Greek yogurt. We need 3 tablespoons. 2 we have already added, 1 more. Okay. And add chopped garlic, chopped ginger, some salt, some white pepper powder. Yes. Some salt.
Okay, so Baba, how come we're doing the marinade first and not chopping or cutting
So that you can taste the marination
All right.
before putting the fish into that. You need to add a little bit of garam masala. Finally, what you need to add is some roasted gram flour. This is just
That's
for the
basin, right?
besan. This is for the binding and holding your marination to the fish. You have very sharp knife, and I enjoy really cutting here or doing here.
Well, I like to have my tools, whether or not I have the skills.
No, that is what shows that how passionate one is for the cooking.
So you've been cutting the salmon into pretty big pieces, And
Otherwise, it might fall on your grill.
how long, Baba, for the salmon?
Half an hour minimum.
Half an hour minimum. Okay, so we're going to set this aside, and then we're going to marinate the paneer next.
So cut this paneer into small cubes.
Those are pretty big pieces.
After cooking we'll cut it from here half. Like
Okay.
this. Now we make marination for the paneer,
Okay.
which will be a green marination. Start with yogurt, the Greek yogurt or strained yogurt, whatever you have.
What goes in a green chutney? What is in a green
It's
chutney?
in a coriander, it's a mint, it's a lemon juice, salt, and little bit of mango powders and things. Little bit of sugar. I am adding little bit of your chopped mint and coriander both put
Okay.
together. So here is the paneer. Ta-ta. Yeah. All right.
Okay, now I'm going to stir it gently so I don't break too much of the paneer off. How long does the marinade need to sit?
Minimum half an hour.
Now, so we're going to
Make the parathas or the bread.
The thing is that my mother is really the best person to make the parathas and rotis, but she refuses to be on camera. Remember, I was always pretty good at making maps of various countries, you know? Sometimes it would
This
look
is-
like Australia. What do you think?
This is the Earth,
This is a heart.
planet Earth.
Let's see. The
Okay.
pan is pretty hot. The trick that I remember I
It's
learned was
ABC.
that it has to move. That's how you know.
Yes, yes.
If it's still sticking to the pan,
It's
then
not
it's not cooked yet.
So now it's done. You can put the other side. Yes.
You want, how do we know when it's cooked?
Well, you'll find this is whitish part over there. This part is little raw. This part is okay. But see, these are all getting cooked, you know. Put some oil in it. Okay. What you have to do once this egg is there, you have to just take this paratha, put it on top of this. Alright? So it gets coated with that. Paratha is big. This is what it is. Once it gets set, the egg, then you can put the stuffing into that. And then roll it. So now once the fat goes into that, it becomes a paratha.
So what's the,
Yeah, now
Plan.
we start wrapping and filling it now.
Okay.
Finishing. So this is with the egg and parathas. Okay. We put some of this paneer over here. This grilled paneer. Little bit of mint chutney. Alright. Some salads.
so that's, we slice the
Onions and peppers.
onions, red peppers, orange peppers earlier.
Yes. And then we wrap it. Okay.
Yeah. You know what I like? A roll that is so stuffed that it's hard to wrap, don't you think? Let's see. Then we put it around some foil, both to keep it warm, right?
Yes.
And to make sure that it holds the shape.
Yes. We take the parathas with the egg. We put some salmon tikkas. If you want, you can break it a little bit to make it in a bite size. And some grilled, nice one. We put some yogurt dressing.
And, you know, raita, which is spiced yogurt you've made beforehand. It looks delicious. What all did you put in it?
It's a black salt, sugar, cilantro chopped, cumin roasted powder, and a little bit of chili powder.
Oh, that's all.
Little bit
No, the peppers and onions.
peppers and onions, green chutney also. Alright, then you wrap it nicely, coolly, tightly over there. So this is how it goes here.
Excellent.
It's mostly cooked with spices, tender. I hope you have tested it.
Only about 7 or 8 times.
Alright, and then the main thing is what is the tamarind sauce.
Nice.
Yeah. And of course some salads. Red onions goes very well with it. Little bit of peppers. If you have some green peppers, fine. And then you just wrap it the way you have wrapped the other rolls. And here you are.
See.
That's all.
Okay, so I think we got everything in there. And this one's the beef one, and that is done.
Our Kathi roll.
Our Kathi roll day is done.
Thank you for watching.
Next step is eating.
Yes.
Then I'll say whether or not I'm thankful. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Kathi Rolls.
Cheers to Kathi roll.
Cheers to Kathi rolls.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching the video.
Thanks.